So hello my dear friends, this is Navneet Misra from NviNomics, and today we have Jordan from School of Life Science. He is currently pursuing Masters in Life Science from University of Hyderabad, and in today's video we are going to talk about what could be the probable cutoff, what is the better option, is it BHU or BU or HCU, and what are the different streams or departments which comes under School of Life Science. So lots of things we are going to talk about. So I would like to invite him. So please give a brief introduction about you. Please carry on.
Yeah, myself, Mike Jordan from School of Life Science. I am from Haryana.
Great.
And today I will be talking, listening how many departments, which I get to know that if you score good marks, if or DU, JNU, and etc. university. So today I will be clearing most of the doubts. So after watching these sessions, I don't think anyone will be having such doubts again. So let's proceed further. Moving on. Under CUET, we have 4 departments, life science.
Okay, 4 departments.
Which are biochemistry, second, microbiology, third, plant biology and biotechnology, which we also say as a botany. And lastly, MSc in animal biology and biotechnology.
Great.
Right?
Yeah.
And second thing, I will talk about the seed matrix.
Yeah,
which everyone must know.
Very important seed matrix.
Past year it was 23 for biochemistry.
Okay.
But later on they extended to 26.
Okay.
Similarly, in case of microbiology department, 11 seats were fixed. After that, addressing the issue of CUET students, many of them enrolled due to we can say they can achieve higher marks. They have received higher marks. That's the reason they have also extended. So around 15 seats, मतलब 4 seats बढ़ा दिया उन्होंने.
Okay, 4 seats.
In case of plant biology, or plant science and biotechnology, last year it was 21, but अभी उन्होंने बढ़ा दिया around 4 seats, मतलब
25.
Around, I think 23 or 25 ऐसे.
25, yeah. Okay.
Yes, 25 you can count it. Same goes to animal biology and biotechnology.
Okay.
There is a reason behind it why they have been extended to 25 seats, because later on we find that as soon as the students enroll in other universities like DU, BHU, they most probably like to join there.
Okay.
I have seen the ins and outs in every department.
So can we now move to the cutoff things? What was the approx cutoff for the last year, 22?
Okay. Depends upon which department you choose, sir.
Yeah. So which department has the maximum cutoff? Which department has the maximum cutoff among these 4, 5?
Yeah. For sure, biochemistry.
Okay. Biochemistry has
top level. Top. It's eminent.
Yeah. So biochemistry is the first preference. That's why it has the maximum cutoff, right?
Yes.
And what was it approx?
Approx for general category, I can tell you have to score about 204. Yeah, 205.
Okay, so 200 plus you can consider.
Yes.
Yeah.
Last year, a student got enrolled with I think 205. 200 category.
Okay.
Not even general, sorry, OBC. I mean
OBC.
Correct? OBC. OBC. For general, the cutoff may go even higher, about 210.
Okay.
210, 215.
Okay.
For SC/ST, you can say 170, 180.
Okay. 170, 180 plus is safe score for the Biochemistry School of Life Science, CUET. Last year you are talking. Yeah. Then what next? What about other departments?
For SC/ST can do.
Yeah, correct.
Same goes for microbiology.
Okay.
Microbiology and immunology.
Okay. Microbiology and immunology.
Earlier it was molecular microbiology.
Okay.
Now the curriculum and course has been designed in such a way they have included immunology subjects also. So it's a vast and diverse field, microbiology and immunology.
Okay.
तो वहां पे भी कट ऑफ हाई है सर
हाँ हो
माइक्रोबायोलॉजी
सकती। तो
में।
मतलब इस बार जहां तक कि
हाँ
शायद आपको पता होगा, एंड इफ योर एनी जूनियर नोस कि रिलेटिवली पेपर वाज टफर, राइट,
यस
as
यस यस
compared to
यस
last year. So if somebody is scoring like
दैट्स व्हाट आई हर्ड सर। हाँ
yes, yes, if somebody is scoring like last year, अगर किसी को last year इतना भी marks आ रहा है या near to that, so they can consider कि I can get HCU, right, the marks just you told. So in general
यस
category, if somebody is scoring 190 plus even, so they can expect कि they she or he will get HCU, because last time it was near to 10. So, Acha, one more thing I would like to know, what about the counseling? Can everybody sit for the all kinds of department for during the counseling, or only in one department you are allowed for the counseling?
no, that's the myth sir, it's roaming around everywhere.
Yeah.
If you have scored high, if you
Okay.
have scored high, you can register for every departments.
Okay.
But just see your eligibility and qualification
Oh,
because for
oh, oh.
biochemistry, their curriculum and coursework is different as compared to plant and micro and animal.
Okay.
They have to at least have biochemistry in their subjects in
Okay.
their undergraduate.
Okay. So according to eligibility,
program.
they should choose there. Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
now coming to the next
For
thing.
me,
Huh.
uh,
Generally,
I have
for
scored
you,
around.
yeah, you scored around. Tell me. That's very interesting.
Uh, 210.
Oh, 210. So you were eligible for almost every department. Which one you chose finally?
Uh, I chose my personal favorite animal biology and biotechnology. It was an accident, sir. Uh,
So, one thing I would like to ask you. Tell me the concrete reason that anybody should prefer HCU over BHU or DU in the life science department.
yes, 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 yes. See, clear cut मैं आपको बता देता हूँ सर यहाँ पे honestly I want to tell
हाँ
North
बताइए.
Indians will always prefer northern universities like DU, BHU, and JNU
अच्छा.
because I have many some of the friends
हम्म.
क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर हमें पता है जेएनयू का रिजल्ट लेट डिक्लेयर हुआ था
या
तो
जेनी.
उन्होंने जैसे
हाँ.
जेएनयू का रिजल्ट आ गया दे शिफ्टेड ओवर देयर
ओके.
सो सेम गोस फॉर डीयू आल्सो
हाँ.
बट आई वुड सजेस्ट फॉर स्कूल ऑफ लाइफ साइंस एंड हाँ स्कूल ऑफ लाइफ साइंस के लिए जेएनयू एंड एचसीयू इज टॉप नॉच यूनिवर्सिटी
ओके.
और जेएनयू को अगर मैं 10 आउट ऑफ रेटिंग दूंगा तो आई वुड गिव 8 for SN for HCU I can give around 10.
So
That's
why
it.
why biasness?
And
What's the reason? So you being the student of SCU, that's why you are promoting the SLS of SCU. Is that the reason?
no sir, that's the truth, sir.
फिर क्या
Because
रीजन है? आखिर रीजन क्या है? बताइए, आपको बताना होगा ना, so that new aspirant should know.
yes, it is. See, just now I have told under life science there are 4 classes which we can attend, which we can choose,
Okay.
which are so, biochemistry, plant biotechnology, microbiology, and animal biotechnology.
Hmm.
Besides this, there are also other departments like MTech bioinformatics
Okay. Okay.
and biotechnology
Hmm.
and computational bioinformatics.
Hmm.
So around we can say 6 departments are there altogether.
Yes. Yes.
But
Yes.
in JNU, you can count molecular medicine. One is molecular medicine. Second, life science. MSc life science. That's it.
Hmm. Oh. So there
So
is
far I have.
limitation. Yeah.
हाँ तो यहाँ पे you in one roof you can get multiple departments.
अच्छा.
You can learn and explore more. But there's also merit and demerit, which I will talk
Yeah.
now.
Few
If you get it.
few demerit need to be also talked.
Last time we made a blog on SLS.
Yes,
We have
correct.
left some merits and demerits also.
Yes. Yeah, people
So,
can
see.
refer that.
So,
I will put the link of that full video. Link will be given in the description, guys. You can watch that.
Yes, sir.
The full and exclusive video. It was very detailed session. Moving next, I will be just asking ki there in the SLS, what will be the total expenditure, approx expenditure for 2 years for University of Hyderabad?
Including hostel fees and semester-wise fees, I think 30 for 1 year. You can say 20K.
Okay, 20,000 per year.
20,000 per year.
Okay,
For 2 years, you can say 40,000.
40,000.
अप्रोक्स मतलब 40,000 के अंदर ही हो जाएगा आपका।
अप्रोक्स मतलब थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे, इस रिगार्ड ऑफ
यस
एनी स्ट्रीम, चाहे आप बायोटेक्नोलॉजी
हाँ
ले रहे हो या फिर कोई भी ले रहे हो, प्लांट ले रहे हो,
यस
कोई भी ले रहे हो, अप्रोक्स दैट। और आप मुझे ये बताइए, व्हाट अबाउट द लैब फैसिलिटी इन द एचसीयू इन लाइफ साइंस? फर्स्ट
लैब
लेबोरेटरी
फैसिलिटीज टॉप नॉच सर।
टॉप
जितनी
नॉच।
हम तारीफ करें उतनी कम है सर। That's for sure. Because I have been in Kurukshetra University, पर
या
वहाँ पे इतनी instruments we cannot explore it, and we are not allowed to even touch it, sir.
ओ हो, सो हियर
But
यू हैव फुल
we can
एक्सेस।
use it. मतलब हमारी घर की खेती है सर। यूं सकता है।
तो ठीक है, मतलब घर की खेती है तो आप इसको ओवर यूज नहीं
Yes.
करेंगे, आई होप कि जुडिशियसली यूज
हाँ
करेंगे। एंड वन मोर थिंग आई गॉट टू नो कि यू ऑल्सो गेट आई मीन इंटरेक्शन विथ योर सीनियर्स, विथ पीएचडी स्कॉलर्स टू वर्क, एंड दे आर रेडी टू हेल्प एनी टाइम इन योर लैब वर्क।
yes sir, yes sir. They are very much cooperative and collaborative. हाँ क्योंकि हमें ऐसा होता है कि this is the number one what you say in terms of SLS. SLS में number of universities of जो PhD candidate होते हैं they will choose this HCU.
यस।
ठीक है। And one more thing sir, जब आपको लैब अलॉट किया जाएगा तो PhD कैंडिडेट एंड यू MSc जो आपके सेकेंड ईयर में जो आपको फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में जब आपको लैब वर्क जो आपको कोर्स करना पड़ेगा देन you can also get a chance to publish your work dissertation.
ओह दैट्स
तो
ग्रेट।
ये आपको जब आप PhD जब आप अब्रॉड करना चाहोगे देन इट विल हेल्प सर।
ओके ओके।
तो PhD कैंडिडेट होंगे वो आपके साथ काम करेंगे तो आपको ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि हाँ भाई दे आर सुपर सीनियर्स, नहीं, वी आर लाइक फैमिली अराउंड हियर।
यस, काइंड ऑफ टीममेट्स, यू पीपल वर्क एज ए टीम,
यस सर,
एवरीबॉडी इज इक्वल।
यस एज अ टीम।
या तो हमने लैब की बात कर ली, एंड आई होप कि डेफिनेटली फैकल्टीज आर आल्सो टॉप नोज, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फैकल्टीज इन द कंट्री HCU हैज गॉट। एंड हाँ, लास्ट ऑप्शन जो समटाइम्स विट हिट इन आवर माइंड, व्हाट अबाउट द स्कॉलरशिप? इज देयर एनी स्कॉलरशिप इन HCU for life sciences students? So can you just tell about the masters scholarship, if any of them are there? क्या क्या स्कॉलरशिप की फैसिलिटी है वहाँ?
यस मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। एक जिस स्टेट से आप आते हो,
ओके
से फ्रॉम हरियाणा या फिर ओडिशा, द स्टेट विल आल्सो प्रोवाइड स्कॉलरशिप वेरी फर्स्ट।
ओके
ठीक है। इफ समहाउ फॉर SC/ST कैंडिडेट्स मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके
ठीक है। इफ समहाउ यू डोंट गेट इनफ व्हाट यू से एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, क्योंकि उनके भी ये होते हैं सर। और आपको यूनिवर्सिटी खुद प्रोवाइड कर रही है DAG, टैग बोलते हैं। इट्स ओपन फॉर एवरीवन।
ओके ओके
फॉर दैट यू जस्ट नीड इनकम सर्टिफिकेट
ओके ओके।
which should be below to under 2.5 लाख के नीचे होना चाहिए, 2.5 लाख के नीचे होना चाहिए।
2.5 लाख पर एनम, या
eligible
2.5 लाख के नीचे, दैट इज 1000 पर मंथ स्कॉलरशिप।
per month। And thirdly for girl students एक BR का फॉर्म आता है सर, BR scholarship, इसे BR scholarship, that's you might be shocked to hear sir, 20,000 per month।
Seriously, in masters?
Yeah,
Even GATE
20,000 per month।
GATE fellowship is not that much, it's just 12,000 GATE fellowship in masters।
See, that's only exclusive for girl child।
Okay,
I need to remind।
Okay, girls child has option. What is the scholarship you told? I will pin in the comment section. What is
BR scholarship,
okay,
BEAR।
okay, beer scholarship.
After that हाँ, इसके अलावा ONGC स्कॉलरशिप भी आती है सर।
Okay,
उसके लिए आपको इनकम सर्टिफिकेट आपके हैंड में रेडी होनी चाहिए, ONGC, which will provide you around 4,000
okay,
per month।
okay.
बस ये सारे हैं।
So I think Jordan, from our side, we are done with the cutoff, we are done with the department, we are done with the scholarship, and we are almost done with the कि monthly expenditure कितना पड़ेगा। monthly expenditure 2 to 3,000 मेस बिल आएगा, and the thing you just told कि 40,000 for 2 years, so that is apart from the, and the universities, I mean it's heaven kind of things, that the detailed talk we have already done, that need not any comment. And I don't think we have missed anything that new aspirants should know. We talked about all departments. So if you wish like to add something for the new students, so we can add, otherwise we'll wrap up the session. Yeah, from your closing comments from your side. Yeah.
See, I come from a northern region sir।
Yeah.
So as soon as you enter in HCU, your world will be upside down, क्योंकि हम मौज मस्ती करने वाले हैं सर।
Yes, yes.
नॉर्थ इंडियंस वाले।
हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ।
यहाँ पे स्ट्रिक्टनेस है, यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर अटेंडेंस 75%।
ओके, अटेंडेंस इज
इवन इफ यू,
कंपलसरी।
हाँ 74 भी आएगा ना, देन बहुत मतलब मारा मारी हो जाती है सर। इट वुड बी
फिर
लाइक दे वोंट
हाँ
इवन अलाउ यू।
हाँ हाँ, फिर मेडिकल करो, ये
एग्जाम्पल,
करो, फिर लफड़ा है। यस।
वही सर वही सर। तो यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर अटेंडेंस एंड टीचर्स आर वेरी मच स्ट्रिक्ट। तो बस मैं यही कहना रैप अप करना चाहूंगा, HCU is for those who are really motivated
ओके।
because it's very challenging environment sir, very much। और मैं आपको एक ऑनेस्टली एक अंदर की बात बता रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ बताइए जरूर। अंदर की बात हर कोई सुनना
हाँ,
चाहता है।
और इफ यू वांट टू क्रैक CSIR या नेट एग्जाम, JRF, तो you must choose those universities which will attain you to that position, which will teach you। क्योंकि हमारे कोर्स के जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो उसके साथ अलाइन हो रहे हैं, सिलेबस
ओके
पैटर्न के साथ अलाइन हो रहे हैं। तो
ओके।
आपको ऐसा कोई कहीं और कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट में आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी।
जरूरत नहीं।
तो देयर आर ओनली टू इंस्टीट्यूट व्हिच आई विल वेरी वेल सजेस्ट, JNU एंड HCU।
ओके।
और इसके अलावा BHU एंड DU यू कैन आल्सो, इट्स अपॉन डिपेंड अपॉन यू बस।
बट JNU HCU का जो सिलेबस है, इट इज सिंक टुवर्ड्स द CSIR
Yes, yes,
syllabus,
yes,
so you
yes
don't
sir।
need to put focus separately on the CSIR. If you are very good in semester your I mean classes and all, so you can definitely crack the CSIR exam also. क्लास
Yes
वगैरह
sir।
की जरूरत नहीं है। तो चलिए फिर जॉर्डन, इट वाज वेरी नाइस टॉकिंग टू यू। आई होप कि योर जूनियर्स विल मीट यू एंड वंस दे विल ज्वाइन you will support them, you will motivate them, and I hope ki SLS will definitely bring good ranks for the HCU also. So please wish to the all the best to the new aspirants, and I am really thank you to you for your time and all. Okay then, bye bye।
ओके सर, बाय सर।
चलो bye bye।
बाय सर।